Hey guys, this is Philips Soundbar 6000 series tab 6309. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar with your laptop via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on. So use the source to select Bluetooth. Bluetooth is highlighting looking for available Bluetooth device. We want to connect it to the laptop. Go to your laptop settings. Select Bluetooth and devices. Switch Bluetooth on your laptop and the Bluetooth is on. Then select add a device, Bluetooth, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Philips tab 6309, select on it. It's connecting. Device is connected, audio. Then you select done. What we want to do is to test the audio using Orbit Sound. With the remote control, if you select the equalizer, you keep an eye on the light. This one light is stadium. The 7 white lights is for movie. If you select it again, it will show you 5 white lights. It's for music. If you select it again, it will show you 3 white lights for voice. We'll show you 1 white light is for stadium. 7 white lights is for movie. This is the equalizer. You can pause this music by selecting this pause. If you select it again, it will start. You can increase the volume. the bass and treble. The treble minus, it go all the way to -5. If you select it, go to 5. Bass, if you select bass, the minus, it goes to -5. You select the plus, it goes to +5. This is bass, showing us +5, the maximum. Treble, if you select minus, it goes all the way to -5. This soundbar is very light. I like the subwoofer. Thank you very much indeed. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.